So guys, Xiaomi Mi Band 5 is reportedly in the works and the fitness band could launch as early as next month. Just ahead of the official launch, key details of the upcoming smart fitness band have been leaked online. A new look on the Mi Band 5 suggests it will come with Amazon Alexa support and house an SpO2 sensor. An SpO2 sensor on the Mi Band 5 will make the fitness band capable of measuring blood oxygen saturation and menstrual cycle tracking. According to a report by Tizen Health, the Mi Band 5 will have a larger display than its predecessor and offer NFC support. These features will be a major add-on to the Mi Band 5. Amazon Alexa support on the Mi Band 5 will be another major upgrade for the fitness band. The Mi Band 5 will also come with a menstrual tracker that will display critical information such as fertile days, ovulation period, and an approximate date for the next period. The Mi Band 5 also has an interesting new feature in the form of personal activity intelligence. It will use recorded parameters such as height, weight, age, BMI, and heart rate to determine the exact amount of exercise you need to remain healthy. This feature is already present on the Mi Band 4 but has been disabled on purpose. Xiaomi is likely to flip the switch at a later point to bring the Mi Band 4 on par with its successor. The report also adds that the international version will lack NFC for contactless payments, but this time around both the variants will feature Amazon Alexa. Internationally, the Xiaomi Mi Band 5 will be called Mi Smart Band 5, a new branding introduced in the last model. The global variant will come with model number XMSH11HM, which goes in line with Mi Smart Band 4's model number XMSH10HM. Having said that, the Xiaomi Mi Band 5 was supposed to launch in the first week of June in China, but due to the current situation, the release is set to be postponed to late June or early July. Hence, we can expect the global launch a month or two from that. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.